Okay, this is the new helmet setup I got going on, and not the greatest. So it's all started with the whole COVID, and my hair grew out, and my eye got tight. So then I went with this HJC ARFA 11 Pro, which is super light. It's actually, really light compared to the Arai. It's like a Cadillac. The Arai is super quiet. This is very, very loud. So I tried a couple things to make it quieter. I closed these inner vents, and I put the thick 3M VHB tape. This is the 1.1 millimeter GoPro spec. When you buy it, there's many different specs of that tape, but I put that over the vents. I took the Sena Audio Pack. You can see it in there. It's pretty dark, but I put it inside the helmet just to reduce wind noise on the outside. And then the last thing was I went to a Sena 50R versus the old 20S Evo, just because it's smaller. There's no bass hanging out. It sticks right to it. Interesting, just with the curve of the bass here, I had to put it further back on the helmet just to get the most contact. If I put it more forward, the helmet's flatter. I didn't get good contact. A little bit further back, it's more round. So this is just where it ended up, and it's a little bit further back than I had this guy. When I had the 20S Evo, I had it in the collarbone cutout area. Anyways, all to reduce wind noise. So now my problem is with the new 50R, and I'm assuming the 50S and the 30K, probably, you know, they didn't really design them to work with the audio pack, right? Bluetooth audio pack, but you'll see it does work with the audio pack. So power this on.
Hello.
Okay, so it says hello.
Phone connected.
Phone connected. Have a listen.
UHD voice mode.
UHD voice mode. That's all fine. But what are they talking about? Okay, watch what happens here. Sorry, I'm making a bunch of noise with my light.
Bluetooth audio pack power off. Camera disconnected.
Huh? So it is connected.
Bluetooth audio pack connected.
Yeah.
UHD voice mode.
UHD voice mode. And you can turn it into regular voice mode.
Normal voice mode.
And you can enable side tone.
Side tone enabled. Battery level is high.
So all the functions appear to be working.
UHD voice mode.
UHD voice mode. Okay, now watch what happens when I pair this guy.
Normal voice mode.
What? It automatically went to normal voice mode as soon as I pair that 20S Evo. Automatic normal voice mode, and I can't go and put it back.
Side tone disabled.
The other functions work.
Battery level is high.
Yeah, you hit it once, the voice modes, nothing happens until you shut this off.
UHD voice mode.
What? Horrible. Okay, so I've tried all the settings. Nothing really seems to be working with this. I sent an email to Sena right now, and we'll see. Well, not right now. I sent it the other day, but it's Labor Day and holiday, so I'm not sure they're gonna reply right away. So we know it plays with this audio pack. It hooks up. Features seem to work, except for the HD voice mode. Does not work when connected to somebody else through Bluetooth. Now, I haven't tested this connected through mesh because I don't know anybody else with a mesh setup. So I gotta wait for somebody to buy mesh. The other alternative I was thinking maybe this audio pack with the plus mesh to this guy, and then I'll buy a base that has for the 50S with the big speakers. You know, seems like overkill, but that's a possibility.